Here is a strategy that could be helpful to you if you're having some struggles with subtracting integers. This strategy is called stay, switch, switch. When subtracting integers, since subtracting a positive and adding a negative are the same, and subtracting a negative and adding a positive are the same, we can use a method called stay, switch, switch. This is one of the conclusions that we came to in the subtracting integers video. For example, -3 minus 4 equals a -7. On the number line, I'm going to graph -3 minus 4, and I'm going to move in a negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals a -7. I'm looking at my integer chips. -3 minus a -4 equals a -7. Let's look here. -3 plus a -4 also equals a -7. Let's start at -3 on our number line and add a -4, which means I still move to the left 4 places. And again, I stop at -7. Look at my integer chips. They're exactly the same as the previous equation. Therefore, when subtracting, we can stay or keep the first number. In this scenario, we were subtracting. So I could keep my first number the same. Excuse me. I'm not going to change this number at all. It just stays exactly how it is. Switch or change subtraction to addition. So I'm going to change my subtraction sign into an addition sign. And switch or change the positive or negative on the second number. That means that this number right here, which was once a +4, is now going to change to a -4. So -3 plus a -4. Now it looks just like the equation below it. If I use stay, switch, switch. Let's try a few together. Four minus 6. I'm going to stay with the 4, switch subtraction to addition, and switch the +6 to a -6. 4 plus a -6. If I have 4 and I owe 6, in the end I can pay off 4, but I still owe 2. -7 minus a -2. If I owe 7 and I subtract another negative debt, I take away a debt. I keep it. -7 plus 2 is -5. And again, we kept the first number, we switched subtraction to addition, and we changed -2 to a +2. -10 minus 5. Stay, -10, switch, minus to addition, switch 5 to a negative. -10 plus a -5 is a -15. 3 minus -6. Stay, 3, switch, switch. And I end up with 9. Now I'd like for you to pause the video at this point and try these last 4 on your own. Okay, 12 minus 15, or 12 plus a -15. I have $12, I owe $15, I can pay 12, but I still owe 3. -3. 13 minus a -4. Remember that when you have two negatives, you have to stay, switch, switch. 13 plus a +4. 17. Here, we have -6 minus 9, stay, negative 6, switch, subtraction to addition, switch, positive 9 to a negative. Negative 6 plus a negative 9 is negative 15. I owe $6, I owe $9 more. Altogether I owe 15. Last one, number 4. Negative 8 minus a negative 2. Negative 8 stays. I'm going to switch, switch. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6.